Hello YouTube and welcome to the second video on this channel, SX FIFA, and it's something different to last time. Instead of the Dirt as Latan Road to Glory, we are going to have our first pack opening on the channel, and EA have released 25k packs, so let's get into them. So the first pack, we're going to let it run out. We get Turan. It's not good at all. Keep the contracts. Alright, next pack. 25k pack. And I'm going to skip this one. Busquets. That's no good either. Third pack. Let's make it a good one. Here we go. Planier. Oscar. Might keep Pedro, but still. It's not a good pack, really. Alright. So this will be our fourth pack of the video, and we'll skip it. Balotelli. That's not too bad. And we get a free pack. Look at the manager. And it's still not what I'm looking for. And we'll open the fifth 25,000 coin pack and get Sacco. That's not good. Not good. Do you know what? I might keep this Sweden badge for our Road to Glory with Zlatan. Let's skip this one and still get no one. It's not been a great pack opening so far. Pretty disappointing, really. So here we go, penultimate pack. And we are going to get Agger. Daniel Agger. Okay, so final pack of the pack opening. What can we get? What can we get? I'm not gonna look. Okay, Dos Santos. Wow, it's been an awful pack opening. Oh wait, we have one more pack. Can a free pack deliver more than the 25k packs? No, it cannot. But that's where we're going to end this pack opening. And if you liked this, leave a like. And hopefully there'll be more pack openings in the future.